Hi and welcome to the second tutorial in my screencast series called Getting Started with Seblod. Today we're going to be creating a list and search type based on a custom content type that we created in the previous tutorial. So in the Seblod dashboard, click the List and Search Type Manager and click New and select the content type which you want to search. For us it's going to be author because that's what we created in the first tutorial. And create list and search type. Now we're going to call this search authors, and you'll see that Seblod has created this CCK field by default. That's just to associate your search type with your content type, so just leave that one completely alone. It's hidden so it won't be seen in your search form. And once you've entered the title, just click Save, and you'll see the fields that you created in the previous tutorial come up on the right hand side. And so the fields that we want to use for our search are the author type and maybe even the article title. So we go to all app folders and scroll down to the article title. This will give us two fields to search with, and we also need to put in a button submit. So once we've got them, click Save. Now in Seblod search and list types you have two options. You can either display the results of your search in a table or in a blog layout. For this we want to use a blog layout, so you click on this list view up the top here, click template, and depending on what you want your search results to view in, a blog or a table, you select the one here. If we select blog, then we see that there are no positions available in the list view, but if we switch to the item view, then we get the positions available to us. And this is what we're going to use as where we put in our fields that we want to show in our search listing. So what we probably want is to have our author image, our author type, and our author description. So we also want our author image to appear on the left hand side of our template, so we'll enable the column width of 150 for the left hand column and disable the right column. Click Save and drag the author image into the left B position, and that should do it. So click Save and Close. And then we create a menu item so that we can get to our search item. So if we click New, we'll call this menu item Search Authors, and we'll make the menu item type a Seblod List and Search page, and select our Search Authors list, and search on first load we don't want that to be, so then we click Save. Now if we go to the front end of our site and go to our search authors page, you can see our search form here. So if we want to search for our ebook authors, you can see the content come up. If we want to search non-fiction authors, maybe educational authors, and you can see it finding the content based on the fields, the entries that are in the field of author type. If we want to search for people based on their names, we can look for James, or we can look for John. And this is just searching all the content that I've already entered into Joomla using my custom content type. So you can see this is starting to shape up as a really powerful tool for building web applications. In the next tutorial, what we're going to look at is how to use the live plugin feature of Seblod to create list types that are populated already when you go to that page. So this is useful if you want to have in your menu just a drop down under search authors called ebook, and then the page just shows the results for ebook authors. So stay tuned for that.